John Deere X720. It features a 62-inch deck. It's missing the covers, and the deck has signs of some damage, surface rust. But overall, the deck is in pretty decent shape. Got a little bit of damage to this tail light back here. The rear lights work, the front lights work. Over here, we've got a power point for a 12 volt. We've got a cubby to put stuff. The seat has a few tears in it, but you can put a seat cover on that or get a new seat for a couple $100. Take a look at the control panel. You've got tilt steering. You've got your hydraulic deck lift here. And then this controls your other remote. You've got two remotes, one operated off of each valve. So one of these controls both the deck and the remote. We're showing 241 hours on the meter. However, the instrument cluster was replaced, and previously it had approximately 770 hours on it. So we're right at about 1,000 hours on this machine. Over here we've got cruise control, parking brake, PTO engagement, ignition, and on the other side we've got lights and throttle. Let's take a look under the hood. This X720 features a 25 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This engine is liquid cooled and horizontal shaft. These Kawasaki's are really nice engines. You can easily access the panel here to check fuses as well as clean out the radiator screen. That just snaps right back into place. The seat goes forward and reverse, and it does have springs in there to provide for a little bit more suspension. I believe this has the K92 Tough Torque transaxle in it. Really solidly built transaxle. So that's it. These are heavy built, nice running machines, very versatile. If you're interested in taking a look at this machine or taking it for a test spin or taking it home, feel free to give us a call or send us a text at 660-537-3588, or you can email us at info@richland-sales.com. Thanks for watching.